What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone made debut with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, an improved camera and many other great features that we are discussing here in detail. Please have a look. The Samsung Galaxy S22 series was released about a month ago. There will be no Note models, so it makes sense that Samsung fans are now talking about next generation models. The Samsung Galaxy S23 line of phones will be available next year. It's still too early to guess what look and feel they will take and what features they will be. But the new series has become the talk of the town, and from the leaks, we could learn about some latest key features. It turns out that Samsung is already working on the next generation Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Inside it has an interesting name that we heard a few days ago, Project Diamond. At least Phone Arena proves that it is. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in Samsung Galaxy S23. While codenames meaning nothing to many people, Samsung is always very careful when it comes to choosing internal labels. So when you say the Galaxy S23 is codenamed Diamond, make sure there is something serious behind it. Let's say you shouldn't rule out the possibility of the being first smartphone with the yet to be announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. In fact, Qualcomm has already announced the next generation Snapdragon 5G modem, namely the Snapdragon X70, and we know Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will integrate it. The new Snapdragon X70 supports peak download speeds of 10 Gbps 5G. In addition, it provides new advanced features such as Qualcomm 5G AI Kit, Qualcomm 5G Ultra Low Latency Kit, and card carrier aggregation. In addition, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will also be handed over to TSMC for casting. What is hidden in the codename? To understand how Samsung chooses codenames for its S-line models, let's take a quick look at previous generations. Galaxy S7 codename Project Luck, Galaxy S8 codename Dream, Galaxy S9 codename Star, Galaxy S10 codename Beyond, Galaxy S20 codename Hubble, Galaxy S21 codename Unbound, known as Galaxy U, Galaxy S22 Family, Rainbow or S22, G S22 Plus, B S22 Ultra. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is codenamed Project Diamond. In this sense, it can be assumed that Samsung is going to add some of the features that diamonds can boast to the Galaxy S23. For example, future models may have a solid construction or offer. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.